Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Sani Tech Vids. My name is Raman Sani, and today I'm going to give you the basic info about the Sophos XZ device. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So this is the default IP of Sophos XZ firewall, which is 172.16.16.16, and colon 4444 is the default port. Whenever you buy the new Fire Sophos XZ device and open with this URL, and this is the first page which you've seen in your screen. Click on I accept and click on start setup. Here you put the password whichever you want. And before clicking on continue, please make sure you have to disable the latest, install the latest firmware automatically if you don't have any internet connection. Otherwise it will take a lots of time to get updated on the latest firmware. And also if you are getting migrating from your existing device to the new one, you can also choose the restore backup option from here. But I don't have any backup, so I'm going to click on to continue. So once you continue, here it is asking me for the time zone. So I'm selecting my time zone, that is Asia, Kolkata, and click on continue. And here it is asking me for the subscription options. By default, I'm having some subscription, so which is showing in front of you. So here I don't want to continue furthermore, and I'm going to click on skip to finish, and click on finish again. So it takes some time to get reboot and apply the basic settings. Now the firewall has been successfully restarted. Now I'm able to log in with my default username and password which I have set before. So this is the first page which you have seen once you log in with the firewall, and here you get the pop-up with the new firmware version available in with the device. You can upgrade from here, else you can skip. So in my case I'm going to skip this. No, thanks later. So basically this is the first screen which you have seen, and it's a control center basically. Here you get all the basic information regarding this firewall device, like in system. Here you got the performance information of firewall services. It shows a green indication. It means that the firewall services are running perfectly fine. The interface option is also showing green, the VPN all. And below that there is an option like red device. Right now I'm not having any red device, so it shows the 0. And there is a wireless AP option which is also showing the 0. I mean, I'm not having any Sophos wireless APs, so that's why it is showing 0. And before that there is an option of a hardware utilization like CPU. My firewall CPU utilization is 5%, which is perfectly okay, and the memory utilization is 29%, which is also okay, and my bandwidth utilization is 5 KB. So everything is okay in my firewall device. So moving forward, there is another option like there is another option, current activities. You can click on to that. Here you can see the option live users. If you're configuring the captive portal in your organization, then you can see the list of users connected in the network here. Apart from that, you can see the live connections, like the users are connected through your network. Here you can see the list of connections. Apart from that, if you are having a IPv6 network, you can see the IPv6 network here. Okay, so by this, in my in monitoring and monitor and analyze, this will help you to troubleshoot and monitor the firewall instances and the logs basically. And apart from that, there is another option, reports. In reports, you can see the default reports of Firewall, Sophos Firewall. Like if you want to see the traffic dashboard, just click onto that and select the time period, whichever you want, and click on generate report. It will generate report accordingly. And here you can see the security dashboard. Like in my case, we are mostly use the executive reports. So click on to the executive reports and select the time period and click on to generate report. So it will provide you the report or the data used by your users basically. And below that there is a option of 0-day protection. It will not comes by default. You have to buy this option with the help with subscription. Okay, and after that there is an option of diagnostics. In diagnostics, this will really help you to troubleshoot the internet related issues, or the issue related to your network, or you can also test your ISP information, like whether it is up or not. Like if I'm going to ping google.com and my WAN interface IP is port 2, and just click onto the ping. See here, the ping is coming back, so it reflects that my internet is working. And below that there is a trace route option. If you want to trace route some website or any FQDN, here you put the domain name and just click on to the interface from which you want to trace, and click onto the trace route option. It will give you the exact trace route report from your firewall to and destination. Okay, so by this way you can troubleshoot your firewall related issues. Okay, so the next option is system graphs. System graphs will provide you the firewall related information like bandwidth utilization, CPU utilization, memory utilization, load average. So here you can monitor your current utilization of your firewall. And the next option is SD-WAN performance. If you are configuring some SD-WAN policies in your firewall, from here you can monitoring or the diagnostic the rule of that SD-WAN policy. But in my case, right now we don't have any SD-WAN policy, so we cannot check this thing right now. So after that, there is an option of rules and policies. So here these are the default rules comes in the with the firewall. Okay, so right now I'm not able to browse anything. Like if I'm talking about google.com, so it is not browsed right now because of I don't have any rule which opens to which relates to the which allow me to open the any website. So for that, what can I do? In my case, what I am doing is I am removing all the existing rules in my firewall. So if you are fresher and you want to allow create an internet rule just to allow the internet traffic passes through your firewall, you want click onto the add firewall rule and click onto the new firewall rule. Put the rule name, any defined rule name like internet access. Action is accept. Click on lock firewall rule. Rule position is always top. Rule group automatic. And here source zone is LAN, source network any, and destination zone is WAN. For any traffic passes through from your organization to outside. Destination zone WAN and network any and services any. And here you need to create a net rule for this. Just click onto the net rule. Click. You have to select the mask option here and click save. Once you done this, and click onto the save option. So this will allow you to pass your internet traffic to the ISP, or you will able to access the internet from your organization. That's all from my sides. Thanks for watching my video. For upcoming videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel.